Hi, my name is Chris. Today is February 20th, 2026. This is a recording of OpenClaw, and we are in a Ubuntu dedicated machine with 2 GPUs. We're going to run the text user interface, kind of give a quick overview of that. You'll see here, this is the actual environment kind of set up right now. There are some misconfigured settings, but I can do simple things like say hi, and it can say, came back and said, nice to talk again. It's running on, in this case, GPU 1 inside this dedicated machine. From there, I can even go to the web browser interface, and I can interface with OpenClaw's web interface. And I can have it do more commands, such as listing the different models and their status. It did not know that particular command, so you have to get very familiar with the environment and the syntax. It still requires a little bit of programming, I'd say a lot of bit of programming capabilities. We have both Google and its Gemini environment along with OpenAI and its codecs. And then we have two LLMs running on the two different GPUs. One has 12 gigabytes VRAM, the other has 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Well, what did it build? We were able to build in very complicated manner in about 36 hours this particular environment. And this is what we're just calling for a sitetracks.io master control panel, which is control room to manage a whole bunch of agents, which we can select here, which the idea, the concept is to have a master director to control these 4 different personality agents that would ideally be running on the local LLMs on the GPUs of this machine. We can assign tasks to it. We can do the same command like typing hi and pushing that to those agents. All of this interface was built by the environment. There was a lot of troubleshooting, a lot of configuration changes, even adding in this dark to light mode. You'll see when it changes that even this drop down box over here, where you can see all of these are still in black backgrounds. Developers are still needed. I still call this vibe coding. It's really neat, really cool. But this is just a very quick overview. Thank you for watching.